Today assembly is conducted by 8th standard. Today's English third.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tanu. I am studying in 8th standard. Today's English thought. I would rather be on my farm than be emperor of the world, said by George Washington. I repeat, I would rather be on my farm than be emperor of the world, said by George Washington. Thank you.
Today's
Have a
Kannada
nice
thought.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಉನ್ನತಿ. ನಾನು 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಂದಿನ ನುಡಿಮುತ್ತು: ರೈತನ ಬೆವರೇ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಭೂಮಿಯೇ ಮಾತೆ, ರೈತರ ದೇವರು. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ, ರೈತನ ಬೆವರೇ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಭೂಮಿಯೇ ಮಾತೆ, ರೈತನ ದೇವರು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Today's Hindi thought.
Good morning everyone. My name is Pratik. I am studying in 8th standard. Today's Hindi thought. मिट्टी से सोना उगाना वाले किसान ही असली नायक है. मिट्टी से सोना उगाने वाला किसान ही असली नायक है. Thank you.
Today's topic conversation.
Hi Tejumada. We have often heard that farmers are important for our nation. Why is that so?
Farmers are the backbone of our country. They produce food that supports entire population.
How does farmers contribute in national development?
Agriculture provides an employment to the people and supplies raw material to the industries.
How does that mean farmers are helping for economy, right?
Yes, agriculture, a good agriculture sector can reduce poverty and ensure the food security.
Farmers also help in rural development.
Exactly. Agriculture and supporting the respecting farmers can progress our nation.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Today's topic song.
ಹೇ ಹೋ ನೇಗಿಲ ಹಿಡಿದ ಹೊಲದೊಳು ಹಾಡುತ್ತ ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿಯ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೇ ಹೋ ನೇಗಿಲ ಹಿಡಿದ ಹೊಲದೊಳು ಹಾಡುತ್ತ ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿಯ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೇ ಹೋ ಫಲವನ್ನು ಬಯಸದ ಸೇವೆಯ ಪೂಜೆಯು ಕರ್ಮವೇ ಇಹ ಪರ ಸಾಧನವು. ಕರ್ಮವೇ ಇಹ ಪರ ಸಾಧನವು. ಕಷ್ಟದೊಳನ್ನವ ದುಡಿವನೆ ತ್ಯಾಗಿ, ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ನಿಯಮವ ದೊಳುವನೆ ಭೋಗಿ. ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿಯ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ, ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿಯ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೇ ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿಯ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ, ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿಯ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೇ ಲೋಕದೊಳೇನೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರಲಿ ತನ್ನಿ ಕಾರ್ಯವ ಬಿಡನೆಂದು, ತನ್ನಿ ಕಾರ್ಯವ ಬಿಡನೆಂದು. ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳುಳಿಸಲಿ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರಲಿ ಗದ್ದುಗ ಮುಕುಟಗಳು. ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳುಳಿಸಲಿ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರಲಿ ಗದ್ದುಗ ಮುಕುಟಗಳು. ಮುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಲಿ ಸೈನಿಕರಲ್ಲ, ಮುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಲಿ ಸೈನಿಕರಲ್ಲ. ಬಿತ್ತುಳುವುದನವ ಬಿಡುವುದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಿತ್ತುಳುವುದನವ ಬಿಡುವುದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿಯ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ, ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿಯ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೇ ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿಯ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ, ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿಯ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೇ ಯಾರೋ ಅರಿಯದ ನೇಗಿಲ ಯೋಗಿ ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ನವ ನೀಗುವನೋ. ಯಾರೋ ಅರಿಯದ ನೇಗಿಲ ಯೋಗಿಯು ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ನವ ನೀಗುವನೋ. ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಬಯಸದೆ ಅತಿ ಸುಖ ಗಳಿಸದೆ ದುಡಿವನ ಗೌರವಕ್ಕೆ ಆಶಿಸದೆ. ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಬಯಸದೆ ಅತಿ ಸುಖ ಗಳಿಸದೆ ದುಡಿವನ ಗೌರವಕ್ಕೆ ಆಶಿಸದೆ. ನೇಗಿಲ ಕುಲದೊಳಗಡಗಿದೆ ಕರ್ಮ, ನೇಗಿಲ ಕುಲದೊಳಗಡಗಿದೆ ಕರ್ಮ. ನೇಗಿಲ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತಿದೆ ಧರ್ಮ, ನೇಗಿಲ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತಿದೆ ಧರ್ಮ. ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿಯ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ, ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿಯ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ.
ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿಯ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿಯ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Next speech.
Good morning, everyone. I am Samrudesh Nurani of class 8. Today I speak about contribution of farmers to development of country. Farmers are undoubtedly our national treasures. They play significant role in our economy. The life of entire nation is dependent on the farmers. Farmers are the pillars of our nation. They work hard to supply the food for everyone who are living in nation throughout their lives. In India, nearly two-thirds of the population relies on the agriculture towards their livelihood. They produce food and further and the other raw materials. This is a major source of income for farmers. Farming is never unchallenging job, and it is extensive. It has extensive labors and effort. Do you know when we celebrate National Farmers Day? It is celebrated on 23rd December to promote the awareness among the people about the importance of the farmers and the developing country like India. From the 2001 onwards, the government of India had decided to celebrate highlighting by the importance of the farmers and to commemorate the birth anniversary of Chaudhry Charan Singh. Chaudhry Charan Singh was the fifth Prime Minister of India. He played a crucial role for the shaping of the agriculture to promote the different of the bills of the betterment of the Indian farmers. He helped upheld the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan of the Lal Bahadur Shastri. I end the speech to saying this word. If the farmer is rich, so the nation. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Next teacher question.
Good morning to everyone. I am Bhuvan of class 8 is here today to ask GK questions. First question. The general revolution in India significantly increased agriculturally productivity. Who is known as the father of the Green Revolution in India? First option A, Vikram Sarabhai. Option B, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Option C, Homa Baba. Option D, S. Radhakrishnan. Yes, you are right. The correct answer is option B, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Second question. Farmers play a vital role in ensuring which of the following for the nation? Option A, national security. Option B, food security. Option C, energy security. Option D, cyber security. Yes, you are right. The correct answer is option B, food security. Third question. Which term is used for the government purchase of the food grains from farmers to build a buffer stock and ensure price stability? Option A, maximum retail price MRP. Option B, fair and remunerative price FRP. Option C, minimum support price MSP. Option D, acquisition price AP. Correct answer is yes, you are right. The correct answer is option C, minimum support price MSP. Question 4. Which type of farming avoids the use of synthetic fertilizers and pesticides and relies on natural ecological processes? Option A, commercial farming. Option B, shifting cultivation. Option C, intensive farming. Option D, organic farming. Yes, you are right. The correct option is D, for organic farming. Fifth question. In India, agricultural significant contributes to export earrings. This helps the country by providing option A increased domestic consumption, option B foreign exchange, option C cheaper imports, option D higher taxes. Yes, you are right. Option B foreign exchange. Thank you. Have a nice day.